In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system that I built for a roofing company that saves them over $26,000 per year on customer service agent fees or costs, and also make them more money because we were able to realize a 10% increase on their bookings with this exact system. Um, for the system, we are using Retail, which is a voice agent platform, Make as the medium, and also Go High Level as the CRM. And also, all the resources will be in the description below, so be sure to check that out. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. My name is Mark. I build AI infrastructures for businesses all over the world. So if you would like to know how we can do the same for you, make sure to scroll down, click the first link in the description, and book a call below. We are limiting the spots to only 3 people per video, so be sure to check it out. And now let's dive into the live demo.
Hi, this is Jessica calling from Elite Homes of New York. How's everything going?
Hey, I'm doing fine. What's up?
Glad to hear that. We saw you went online and showed interest in having your roof, siding, or windows looked at. Just wanted to follow up and see if you're still interested in scheduling your free in-home consultation. Does that sound familiar?
Yeah, I'm definitely interested in that.
Great. I'm glad I caught you. Let's get some quick info so we can get you set up. Can I get your first name?
Yeah, it's Mark.
Perfect. Thanks for sharing, Mark. What specific service were you looking into? Roofing, siding, or windows? And can you tell me what's going on, any recent damage, or just planning an upgrade?
I want my windows to be upgraded, so that's about it.
Thanks for letting me know, Mark. Can I grab your full address, including zip code? That way we can make sure the right specialist comes out for your window upgrade.
Yes, my address is 26 Beach Street at Rockaway Beach, and my zip code is NY 11693.
Thanks, Mark. Just to confirm, your address is 26 B Street, Rockaway Beach, New York, 11693. Did I get that right? Perfect.
Yeah.
That helps us prep the right specialist. We offer a free in-home consultation. One of our licensed experts comes by, checks everything, answers questions, and gives you a quote. Do you have any questions about how that works?
No, I don't.
All right, thanks for letting me know. Would you like to book that free estimate now?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let me check our calendar for you, okay? The first available time we have is Tuesday, July 8th at 10 a.m. Or if that doesn't work, we also have Tuesday at 11:30 a.m. Which of those works better for you?
Yeah, the second option works best, I think.
Perfect, Mark. You're all set for your free in-home window consultation on Tuesday, July 8th at 11:30 a.m. If anything changes, just give us a call at 718-400-8747. Thanks again and have a great day.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye. Okay, so that was the demo. And next, we'll hop into the technical side. So you'll see the actual backend of the system, Retail, Make, and also Go High Level. But the principles remain the same for any platform you're using. So be sure to stick around. Okay, so this will be the behind the scenes of the system that we have built. It's not, keep in mind, this is not everything. So I've left a couple functions out of it to make it easier to understand, but principles remain the same. We are trying to book an appointment at the lead's address to book an estimate, or enable the technician to make an estimate. Okay, so if we scroll down, you'll see here the exact script we used, which I'll go through right now. So it will introduce the person that's calling. So basically, this is Jessica, and the agent will ask how everything is going. Then the lead will respond, as you saw in the demo, and then we'll ask a discovery question of why they called, which is really important for the technician. And after that, the person can say yes or no. And if no, then it'll try to objection handle and try to get to know what their actual reason is. like a backup question. If yes, then it will ask the first name. After that, they will identify the needs, so basically what they want. After that, collect the address, and then explain a little bit about the process, and if they have any questions, it will answer those. I've kept it relatively short in the demo, but we also attached a Q&A, basically explaining the whole process. And after that, it will ask if they want to schedule that estimate now, and then it will book the appointments. And also, I've given here a fake phone number, but essentially it's will say thanks again, and first confirm the booking and say thanks again. If anything changes, call us at XYZ, and then have a great day. Also, inside of this prompt, we have objection handling, basically meaning if they say, oh no, I don't want to, I'm too busy, I'm already working with someone, need to think about it, and also others. I kept most of them out to make it really simple for this demo, but here you can see what happens if they say, okay, too busy, working already with someone, need to think about it. Okay, so that's about it. This like you can see this as a like skeleton prompt, and based on this you can add many more features. Okay, so now we'll head over to the make scenario. This is a booking scenario in make, which connects to Go High Level. In the demo, you already saw how it worked. It went through here, and booked the appointment. And after that, we got a confirmation on our phone through SMS. But briefly, I'll explain what happens. So first, it will check the available times in the calendar. Then it will give those available times. And after that, it will check inside of the CRM if the lead exists. If they don't exist, it will create a contact. If they do exist, they will only update the contact, basically their street address and name. After that, it will book the appointments. And if everything went right, it will say, great, your appointment has been booked. And also, for the full system, we also included a drive calculator. So basically, it will give only the options that are close to the first appointment. So for example, if a lead booked an appointment at 1 p.m. and the drive time is 30 minutes, it can only book appointments 30 minutes after 1 p.m. I've not included it in this video because that will be just too much explaining, but we also did that inside of this workflow. But that's it for the workflow. And as you also could see in the demo, we booked the meeting at 11 a.m. at 26 Beach Street, Rockaway Beach, and then the postcode. Of course, this can be implemented inside of any CRM and also have many more functions in mind. But now we'll do a short cost breakdown of how we actually saved $26,000 and also make them more money with having more bookings made per month. First things first, how did we actually save that $26,000? So they had 2 customer service employees. We were able to remove 1, and the average salary is around maybe 2.2k or even more. 2.2k is a really, pessimistic estimate. Obviously, in some cities, it's way more. Maybe it's even closer to 3.5k in some cities. So the average cost of that is 3.5k times 12 is around 40,000 or even more. 40K plus, right? And if we were able to book more meetings than normal, so for example, let's say a company, obviously these are made up numbers, but a company has 10 estimates, right? And all of them are worth 7K, which isn't the case for this company, by the way, but I'm just making up numbers right here. 7K, and we had a 10% booking rate, or an increase in booking in that booking rates, then they had 11 appointments in a month. So that basically means we were able to potentially make them more money. Obviously, not every estimate will be a close, but if they, for example, have 50 appointments, you can already guess, okay, we are making them more money. This was it. This was a skeleton version of the system that I've built for a roofing company. And if you are a business owner and looking to implement voice AI solutions inside of your business, be sure to scroll down, click the first link in the description, and schedule a call through that. It's absolutely free, no pressure. And also be sure to comment down below if you have any questions in the meantime. And either way, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.